Hi, welcome to today's video. In today's video, we are going to see the capacitor. It's a very tiny capacitor. You can see here its ratings also given. It is of 16 volt, 470 microfarad. Let's see charge of this capacitor. The yellow wire is for negative terminal. As you can see, the strip shows the negative terminal and the other one is positive. Let's see the charge of this capacitor. Let me focus. Yellow one is the negative, blue one positive. 0.32 volt, very less. Let's charge this capacitor and see how much voltage it will show. Yellow one is for negative. Be careful, this is a very dangerous. I will charge for this 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. That's it. Let's see the charge. Approx 6.6 volt. Let's see with the lighting this up LED. This is a light in hand. Let's see how it shows. It will glow or not. Out of focus. Let's see. Glowing. The capacitor is working. Slowly light is dimming now due to use charge. Let's see by multimeter. Let me charge this capacitor once more time. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Some people can have doubt of why we are getting 6 volt only. Instead the capacitor is of 16 volt. That is the reason for battery we are using here. It is of 6 volt 5 ampere. That means only 6 volt is available with the battery. That's why we are getting only 6 volt. Now let's see by connecting it to voltmeter. Don't try this at home, it could be risky. Let's see now. You can see the voltmeter. Let's check how voltage gradually decreases with light. No, it's not working. Light terminal is not connected. Now let's go. Not working. Some problem might be there. I think I have connected light terminal wrong. Let's check it one more time. Now let's check. Light is glowing. Voltage is decreasing very slowly. This is not expected because light is using light is of voltage 1.5, so it is consuming up to voltage 1.65. That's it. Now let's see what inside this capacitor. How is the internal structure. First we will short circuit this capacitor to remove any charge from it. remove the wire from the terminal. One more time I will show you the overall capacitor. This will be widely used in the rectifiers, filters, drivers, where small electronics work is done. Let's see inside how it looks from inside. The minus 40 degrees Celsius, it indicates that it can operate in minus 40 degrees Celsius, and plus 105 it can operate up to 105 degrees Celsius. So let's see inside this. Be careful, don't try this at home. Not opening properly. Very tough shell. That is coming out. This is just plastic coating on it to protect capacitor from other environment. The plus sign over it is for the in case of any over voltage or any heavy load, this capacitor will get burst, so the blast should be very minimal. For that reason release point is given over here. Now let's see inside this. One more video also we have done of big capacitor. I will give it in the description video link. This is small capacitor. The difference between both capacitor is only the charge and voltage. According to its purpose, the capacitor is decided to use. That's it in this. How layers are bonded on this. This is the casing. Inside you can see a liquid is there. That is chemical to make charge. This is the dielectric material. Let me smell it. How it smells. It smells oily, like burned oil. Let me zoom it. You can see it easily. Layers. Now let's open this. You can see layers on this. It's not opening easily. Paper is coming off. is nothing but the plate. Got it. Two plates are this. One is this same like battery, like anode and cathode, just different property. Instead of keeping charge, storing charge, it releases charge very quickly. This is one plate. That's it, this much only in this. This is all paper. Paper also act as dielectric material. And these are the two terminals. This one is the positive and this one is the positive and this is the negative one. That is, these all components are there in this. Got it. Very important device, but very small in size but important. So that's in today's video. Stay connected for further interesting video and suggest me something you want. Like, share, subscribe for the further any videos.